Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kanye Sibanja. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I decided to do a very short tutorial on how to do Dombolo steamed bread. You'll need 7 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, a sachet of yeast, and some salt. So you'll first mix the dry ingredients and yeah, add your yeast. I had a little problem opening my packets. And then half a teaspoon of salt. So guys, if you prefer your steamed bread to be more on the savory side, you can have less sugar, maybe like have half a cup of sugar. I prefer mine to be a bit sweet. Yeah, I don't really enjoy it when it's savory. Then you start adding your lukewarm water. Just mix it up until you find the perfect consistency, as long as it's not wet and it's not dry. When you've found the perfect consistency, you should set it aside, let it rest and rise for like an hour. But you should cover it and let it stay in a warm place. So this is after an hour. So I will knead it again and take it back to the original, I guess the original size. And then when I'm done, I will set it aside for an additional 30 minutes. Still cover it up again and then set it aside for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, you transfer it to an enamel dish, and before you transfer it, please grease your dish with either oil, flour, or a bit of butter, and then you put some water in your pot and you let it steam for about 1.5 hours. Yeah, for an hour to like 1.5 hours. So guys, here is the final product. I let it steam for that 1.5 hours, and after I let it rest, and then yeah, you cut it and enjoy it. So guys, if you've never tried it, please do try it and give me feedback on how it went. I hope you will enjoy it. If you liked this video, please do not forget to like, leave a comment, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.